Hey everyone, introducing the ultimate workhorse. It's the Dongfeng 4x4 dump truck. It's ready to conquer any challenges. This powerful machine is designed for demanding jobs in the harshest conditions. Under its rugged exterior, a powerful heartbeat, a 240 horsepower engine roaring to life. It climbs with relentless determination, defying gravity. Its 7-ton front axle and 13-ton rear axle, its unyielding grip on the earth. A 590 mm ground clearance, its fortress against the elements. A 210-liter fuel tank justify its endurance and limit. The chassis of this truck is built on military standards, so it can accept any challenges on any condition. Hubei Off-Road Special Vehicles, unleash the beast within. To learn more about this vehicle, contact us.